Attention American travelers. Your travel privileges are changing in 2025. The days of visa-free travel to the UK, Europe, and Israel are over. An ETA is now a must-have. Don't let this catch you off guard. Find out what you need to do to keep your travels on track. So, what exactly is an ETA? It's a question many travelers ask themselves when planning an international trip. The world of travel documents can be confusing, with visas, passports, and various authorizations all playing a role. It's not a visa, though it's easy to confuse the two, but it's just as important, if not more so, for certain types of travel. Think of it as a crucial key that unlocks your entry to a new country. An ETA, or Electronic Travel Authorization, is a digital authorization that is electronically linked to your passport. It's not a physical document you carry around, but rather a digital record connected to your passport details. This authorization allows short visits for tourism, enabling you to explore new cultures, visit famous landmarks, and create lasting memories. It also caters to business travelers, facilitating attendance at conferences, meetings, and other professional engagements. Or even simply for transit, allowing you to pass through a country on your way to your final destination. Unlike a traditional visa, obtaining an ETA doesn't require an embassy visit or dealing with piles of paperwork, a process that can often be time-consuming and stressful. Instead, it involves just a quick and straightforward online form that can be completed from the comfort of your own home. ETAs are typically designed for travelers originating from countries considered to be low risk, streamlining the entry process for these individuals. This system contributes to making border entry faster and more secure for everyone, by allowing authorities to pre-screen travelers. Think of it as pre-registering for your trip, giving the authorities advance notice of your intention to visit. You simply provide basic personal information, and in return, they run a quick security check to ensure the safety and security of their borders. Airlines are required to check for it before you even board your flight, ensuring that all passengers have the necessary authorization to enter the destination country. Therefore, you absolutely cannot skip this crucial step in your travel preparations. No ETA, no flight. It's a non-negotiable requirement for entry. It's that simple and that essential. The application process is remarkably fast, often taking just minutes to complete. However, don't underestimate its importance, as it can make or break your travel plans. Treat your ETA with the same level of importance as your boarding pass. It's an absolutely essential document for ensuring a smooth and hassle-free journey. Get it right, and your trip starts smoothly, setting the stage for a memorable and enjoyable experience. As we look ahead to 2025, the world of travel is undergoing a significant transformation. One of the most notable changes is the increasing adoption of electronic travel authorizations, or ETAs. So, where will you need an ETA in 2025? Let's take a look at the destinations where pre-travel digital authorization will become a necessity. The list is growing, and it's essential to stay informed. The landscape of international travel is becoming increasingly regulated, with more and more countries implementing digital pre-authorization systems. The UK now requires a UK ETA for US travelers, marking a significant shift in entry requirements. This new system is designed to enhance border security and streamline the arrival process for eligible visitors. The UK ETA costs about $13, and it's valid for 2 years, allowing multiple visits within that period. This relatively small fee offers the convenience of pre-approved entry, saving time and hassle upon arrival. The European Union's ETIAS, or European Travel Information and Authorization System, is another major development in the world of travel authorization. ETIAS covers 27 Schengen countries, making it a crucial requirement for travelers planning to explore much of Europe. This system aims to strengthen security and manage borders more effectively. France, Italy, Spain, and more are all included under the ETIAS umbrella. The ETIAS application fee is about $8, and once approved, it's valid for 3 years. This single authorization opens the door to numerous countries, simplifying travel planning. One ETIAS lets you hop across Europe with ease, making it ideal for those planning multi-country adventures. Israel is rolling out ETA Isle for US visitors, joining the growing list of countries adopting digital pre-authorization. This initiative is aimed at streamlining entry, reducing wait times, and enhancing the overall travel experience for visitors. Kenya and Namibia are adopting similar systems, reflecting a broader trend across the African continent. Kenya's ETA is $30 for single entry, offering a convenient way to obtain travel authorization before arrival. Japan, Brazil, India, and Russia have or are expanding digital pre-authorization, indicating a global move towards more efficient and secure border control measures. The message is clear. Digital pre-approval is the new normal, and it's here to stay. Embracing this shift will be key to ensuring smooth and stress-free travel experiences in the years to come. Always check each country's requirements well in advance of your trip. Don't leave it to the last minute, as processing times can vary. Rules, fees, and validity periods differ significantly from one country to another. Be sure to verify the specifics for each destination on your itinerary. Don't assume one ETA covers all your stops, especially if you're planning a multi-country trip. Each country has its own system and requirements. Research before you book, ensuring you have all the necessary authorizations in place before committing to flights and accommodations. By staying informed and prepared, you'll avoid surprises, navigate the evolving landscape of international travel with confidence, and enjoy a seamless journey. Ready to apply? Here's how to get your ETA, step by step. Always use the official government website, avoid third-party sites and scams. Have your valid US passport, a credit card, and an email address ready. Fill in your details exactly as on your passport. Accuracy is crucial. Answer security and health questions honestly. False info can get you banned. Double-check every entry before submitting. Pay the fee online. You'll get a confirmation email. Approval often comes within minutes, but sometimes takes longer. If flagged for review, approval could take days or weeks. Print or save your approval for your records. That's it, your digital key to travel is ready. Simple, but don't rush. Mistakes can cost you your trip. Let's talk money, timing, and how long your ETA lasts. UK ETA about $13, valid for 2 years. EU ETIAS about $8, valid for 3 years. Kenya's ETA $30, single entry. Other countries set their own fees. These are much cheaper than traditional visas. Most ETAs cover multiple trips within their validity, as long as your passport is valid. Processing is usually instant, but manual reviews can take days or weeks. Don't wait until the last minute. Apply as soon as you book your trip. Official advice: apply at least 4 days before departure, but earlier is better. Early application means less stress and more time to fix any issues. A little planning saves a lot of hassle. Secure your ETA, then focus on the fun stuff. Even simple processes have pitfalls. Here's how to avoid them. Typos are the #1 mistake. Double-check your name, birth date, and passport number. Only use official government websites. Third-party sites can overcharge or scam you. Don't forget to apply. Set a calendar reminder as soon as you book your trip. Treat the ETA as essential as your passport or boarding pass. Remember, an EU ETIAS doesn't cover the UK and vice versa. Each country's ETA is separate. Apply for each destination. Don't assume one approval covers all your stops. Research every country's requirements before you go. Print or save your ETA confirmation. Avoid these mistakes and your journey will be smooth. Preparation is your best travel companion. Let's wrap up with your essential pre-travel checklist for 2025. Apply for your ETAs at least a month before departure. Print a backup of your ETA. Approval tech can fail, paper doesn't. Save a digital copy on your phone too. Check your passport's expiration. Many countries require 6 months validity. Renew your passport early if needed. Double-check entry rules a few weeks before you go. Regulations can change. Visit official government or US State Department websites for updates. Keep all travel documents together for easy access. Set reminders for every step. Application, printouts, passport check. Stay informed, stay organized, and you'll travel with confidence. The world is waiting, just a few clicks away. Happy travels. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more travel updates. Safe travels.